Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you spend time to watch my channel and I hope you will enjoy this video. Today I will be turning an Acacia vase with a clear epoxy coating inside so it will be waterproof and can hold actual flowers when finished. When I was roughing out this log, I keep feeling a little dent in the tool rest and it kept annoying me, so I decided to do something about it. And the way you can remove a dent in the tool rest is to take a very fine metal file and then file the dent away. It's very important that when you do it, you file the whole way over the tool rest so you don't make a curve in your tool rest. And don't press too hard so you will make marks in the tool rest. You have to take a little bit off until the dent is gone. And then after that you will have to take some sandpaper, and what I do is I take the sandpaper and place it on a very flat board, as you can see here, and then I will just sand the tool rest until it's nice, flat and without any scratches or dents. Before you start filing and sanding your tool rest, please check if the metal is something you can do it in yourself. I know a lot of the round tool rest you can't do this because the metal is different than the tool rest I have here. And here I'm using my parting tool to make the tenon, so I can turn the vase around and start hollowing it. And using my 1/2 inch ball gouge to make the final outside shape of the vase. This tool, as I said in a couple of other videos, is my absolute go-to tool to almost everything. I even turn pens with it sometimes, but I use this all the time. It's a very versatile tool. I sanded the outside of the vase to grit 400. I didn't do anything else because if I spill some epoxy on it later, I will have to sand it again. So I didn't do any finish before at the end. I'm using a 35mm Forstner bit to take out the first part, and then I will switch to a 6cm Forstner bit to hollow out the vase. The Forstner bit didn't leave a smooth surface inside the vase, so I use a round nose Negativ rake scraper to try and get it a little more even inside. At some point I needed to switch to the bowl guard because I had some dents in there that was too much for the scraper. As I didn't want to put my fingers in this small opening, I used a round stick with a slice in it, put the sandpaper in, and you can easily sand out a piece like this with the use of the tool rest and a stick. After mixing the epoxy, I gave it 2 times to first to fill up the small pores in the wood, and the next one to give an even nice gloss coat inside the vase. And it's been tested out and it's completely watertight and can hold flowers without any water seeping through. I used the heat gun a little to smooth out the epoxy surface and to remove any bubble that might occur, and I did that while the lathe was spinning at the minimum of 95 RPM. After 24 hours the epoxy was dry and the vase was ready for the last finish outside. I gave the piece 1 coat of Cellulose sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen, and after that from Hampshire Sheen 2 gloss wax finish I gave that 2 coat and buffed it in between. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and hit the notification bell below, and please comment in the comment section. That will greatly help my channel to grow. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day and stay safe out there.